Hey there, foodies! Are you ready to spice up your Taco Tuesday with some mouth-watering Mexican recipes? Get your taste buds ready as we dive into 10 easy and delicious dishes that will transport you straight to the vibrant streets of Mexico. Classic guacamole. Let's start with a crowd pleaser. Mash ripe avocados, add chopped tomatoes, onions, cilantro, lime juice, and a pinch of salt. Mix it all together, and voila! You have a creamy and flavorful guacamole that pairs perfectly with crispy tortilla chips. Chicken enchiladas. Tender chicken, wrapped in warm tortillas, smothered in a rich tomato-based sauce, and topped with gooey melted cheese. This classic Mexican dish is sure to impress your family and friends. Beef tacos. Who can resist a good taco? Sauté ground beef with onions, garlic, and a blend of spices like cumin and chili powder. Fill warm tortillas with the seasoned beef, and garnish with your favorite toppings like shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, and a dollop of sour cream. Veggie quesadillas. For all the veggie lovers out there, this one's for you. Sauté bell peppers, onions, and zucchini until tender. Spread refried beans on a tortilla, top it with the sautéed veggies and shredded cheese. Fold the tortilla in half and cook until the cheese is melted and gooey. Fresh salsa. Add a zesty kick to your Mexican dishes with a homemade salsa. Combine diced tomatoes, onions, jalapenos, cilantro, lime juice, and salt. Mix it up, and you'll have a fresh and tangy salsa that will elevate any dish. Shrimp ceviche. This light and refreshing dish is perfect for hot summer days. Marinate fresh shrimp in lime juice until they turn opaque. Add chopped tomatoes, onions, jalapenos, cilantro, and a splash of olive oil. Let the flavors meld together, and serve with tortilla chips. Chiles rellenos. If you're up for a little more adventure in the kitchen, try making chiles rellenos. Roast and peel poblano peppers, stuff them with cheese, dip them in a fluffy egg batter, and fry until golden brown. Serve with a tangy tomato sauce for a delicious and satisfying meal. Mexican rice. No Mexican feast is complete without some flavorful rice. Sauté rice in a bit of oil until it turns golden brown. Add onions, garlic, and tomato sauce, then simmer until the rice is cooked and fluffy. It's the perfect side dish to accompany your main course. Tres leches cake. Time for dessert. Tres leches cake is a moist sponge cake soaked in a mixture of 3 milks, evaporated milk, condensed milk, and heavy cream. Top it with whipped cream and a sprinkle of cinnamon for a heavenly treat. Margaritas. Let's toast to a fantastic Taco Tuesday with a classic margarita. Mix tequila, lime juice, and simple syrup in a shaker with ice. Shake it up, strain into a salt-rimmed glass, and enjoy the refreshing and tangy flavors. There you have it, 10 easy Mexican recipes to spice up your Taco Tuesday. From guacamole to margaritas, these dishes will transport you to the vibrant flavors of Mexico. We hope you enjoyed this culinary journey. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow food lovers. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more.